don't know exactly where they'll be set up. They're normally set up
Over your side to your eye. Now to hit it twice, hit your horn twice.
You're not going to fall off, are you?
Oh, there they are.
Ready? We're going to go.
Yeah.
Forward, right? 440.
Over around the cook shack near the country kitchen.
Oh, cool. Start taking them to the right.
Green watermelon.
You're like water in there because it's not going to get hot.
See all this wood?
Oh!
Oh, wood. All that goes right in there. See it?
Oh! Oh, wow.
How many gallons of water does it hold? About 1,200. Okay. Take her out. Take her out.
Well, this would be a nice ride in the winter. What did they do with these things?
Name it. Wow. Wow. How many tons does this thing weigh? About 26,000. Oh, not tons. About 26 tons. 26.
Wow.
Straighten her out. He's got power steering. Come on, dude.
I was gonna say,
Come on.
do you have power steering? I have power steering.
He's power steering. Power steering.
Can you put it in second gear?
That's the high and low. Right, to the right. Not into my truck, but not.
I have to go to the bathroom. Go to your stack. Oh, wait. There are bathrooms there.
Right there, yeah. Big lever in reverse. Yep, reverse. Watch that way. Low down, speed down. You have to pull that other lever. Yep, there's another lever.
Yeah.
You got to pull that though.
Well, I mean, maybe I just didn't know what they were.
Yeah. This one is very unique. Straighten her out. You want to be dead center between those two. Aim for my truck. Aim for my truck.
To the left, a quarter of an inch.
Beautiful, buddy. Beautiful. Once you get over the hump, you gotta kind of stop and turn your wheel. Turn your wheel this way. Other way, other way. There you go. Now bring in more gas. Throttle it out. You're on a hump, so it'll be a little bit more. There you go. Okay. Slow down. Come on back. Come on back. Come on back. Get your wheel this way. Come on back. Come on back. A little off. You know what that means you're going to do? You're going to put down forward. We're going to go up and go over a little bit. Okay? It's good for you. Good practice. That is my fault, 100%. I wasn't paying attention to the track. No worries. So we got to go over about 2 foot. Let the other engine sit next to it. That should be good. What you want to do.
I'm going to ask a stupid question. I need the water level. What
This
level
is the
there
water
is.
level. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
We got plenty of water. We're actually a little up on a hill. This
Yeah.
should go down. It's okay. We got plenty of water. I'm very good at checking.
I believe it.
All right. So you
Feel
go-
that heat?
Yep, one coming in front of you.
Yep, so wait for the nickels to come by, we'll pull forward that way
Yeah.
and back up.
Because you've stopped for so long now,
Yeah.
when he passes, you got to hit your horn, whistle twice.
Yep,
Because
notify
you
people
can
right
sit
out
for a
really.
while. Yeah, people know you're doing it. So You're fine. You got plenty of steam for this and plenty of water. Yeah, I always tell my friends back home, you know, I go in the hottest part of the year to western Kansas and build a fire and stand next to it. That's my vacation.
Does it do better on coal?
Oh yeah, it's on coal right now.
Oh, yeah, okay.
We started on wood, but on coal.
Okay.
All right, buddy. Go ahead. Go on over. You're good. There you go.
Good job.
Pull out a little ways. Parallel parking is steaming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, now that's good. Let's stop. Reposition your wheels a little bit. We're going to be just perfect. Yep. Remember, it's a little easy if it's moving backwards for you. Get her? Come on. There you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
Right, pull on it.
All right, buddy. Good. Let me see how far we go. You need to go one more. That's not going to be enough to get there. There you go. You got it. All right, let's do it in reverse now.
Okay.
Turn your wheel this way.
He's gonna have muscle when he's done.
Go ahead and get it.
Your son? Oh, that's awesome.
She wanted to punch it so bad, so I tried to send it to her.
Hey, stop it. Don't roll back. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. Turn your wheel for me. Turn your wheel for me. If you need help, I'll do it. We're going to give one more little jolt, but I want to bring our nose in there. Keep on going. Sing to yourself like I've been working on the railroad.
All the live one.
Okay. Think that'll be enough?
I think so. Give it a little tap. Give it a little tap. Come on back. You're fine. One more. We are good. Yep, we're good. Yep. So give it
Wow.
just one long one.